How's everybody doing today? So we got some more gifts in. Don't we love gifts? I think it might have chocolate. I don't know. We're going to find out. I'm going to take a guess and I open it here. This box is about half a mystery, though. I have a slight idea what's in here. But again, the box is too big for the little stuff. We'll see. Maybe he just shipped it in a big box. This guy's name, I actually don't know this guy's name. I bet you. Yep. Thanks, Doug. I didn't know your name until now. What am I looking at here? Oh. Carb rebuild kit for these Tillotsons. 2 carb rebuild kits for these Tillotsons. And what's this? There's a bearing. What do you know? That thing looks, is that new? That looks like a new bearing. This box is full. See, the carb kits, I had a feeling that's what he was sending me. This box is full. Scotch-Brite. We use these on cylinders. Clean them up. Some sandpaper. Huh, I've never seen this kite. This is great for that first sandpaper after porting. I've never seen this type. Writing me notes and everything, buddy. Hey, we got some crankshaft seals. Very common one to use. Very common. 360 uses these. The Super XL uses these. XL12 uses these. The XL700 uses these. The 925 uses these. Just to give you a few. It's a very common crankshaft seal. Very good to have. What do we got here? Is he making me a custom tool? Hand cramps, tri-handle. He made me a custom setup. For working on these saws. He totally did. And he made me a handle. I've said on a couple of videos, about how my hands cramp up. Something fierce. I wish I had a file here. I'd put it to use right now. Look at that. I have a feeling this is going to become one of my new favorite tools. I should say, got myself a new favorite tool. I'm going to have to customize it though. I'll run my raker setting just a little bit different than this. But I'll end up customizing it to my preferred setting. This is going to work great for me. This is going to be fantastic. I can hold onto this thing all day long. You know? I always just dealt with it. This is amazing. It's funny that my raker setting is somewhere between the 30 and 35 thousandths. My gauge. It's in between there. I probably could just use the 35 thousandths. I know I could. I could probably just use the 35 thousandths. Mine don't tell me what it's set at. It just, you know, file it. All kinds of goodies. But, Doug, thanks, man. This is the star of the evening for me, by far. I'm kind of in that scrounging for parts stage right now. Yeah, I'm just kind of scrounging for parts is what I got going on. So that's where we're at. But till the next time, thanks for coming. Later.